like me at the new school. They will. Time for sweet dreams, Finley. Good night, Fairy May. I'm afraid of being alone and not liked. It's okay, I'll always be here for you. We'll face everything together. You look tired, Finley. Let's get you to sleep. I'm so sleepy, Fairy May. Just rest now. You're safe with me. Open your eyes. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Come with me. I'm sleepy. Don't worry, just hold my hand. Look at that! Wow, it's so beautiful. Welcome to the Smiling Garden, Finley. Wow, it's even more magical than I dreamed. Hello there, little flower. Oh, who are you? I feel so warm. Ta-da! It's beautiful. Wow. Just like in the stories. Magical, isn't it? Wow. It's beautiful. Look at it glow. Come now, little one. Try giving it a smile. Oh, wow. What is it? It's just for you, Finley. Wow. You can do it, Finley. I can do it. Oh. Oh. Hello there. Wow. Look at that. Yow! Hi there, pretty flower. Tee-hee-hee. Look at me, I'm waving. Wow! Look at that! It's beautiful! I'm so proud of your brave and kind heart, Finley. Thank you, Fairy May. What's that? Hi there. Don't be scared. He's just as shy and scared as you were. Really? Yes, look. Hello there, little one. It's okay, I won't hurt you. Wow. Hi. Oh, a kind gesture. It truly makes everything feel so much happier. Isn't it wonderful, Finley? It's the most beautiful place. A new day is coming. I am ready. Come along, Finley. It's time to fly home to your comfortable bed. Okay, Fairy May. I'm so sleepy. Wow. Come on, Finley. We're flying. I can't believe it.